Welcome everybody, my name is Chinonso and I'm going to be taking you on carbohydrates, the basic tips about carbohydrates, its functions, chemical structures and properties. So follow me. Now, carbohydrates are simply defined as polyhydroxyaldehydes, ketones or compounds that yield these derivatives upon hydrolysis. Now, carbohydrates is very important in the system. Number one, carbohydrates is the chief source of energy in the body. And secondly, it also forms basic precursors that can use to form other biomolecules in the body. Then thirdly, you can also use it to synthesize genetic materials like the RNA and the DNA. These are carbohydrates. Going to the importance of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are very important to the body because they provide the amount of energy, in fact every amount of energy in the body, apart from fats. Now, carbohydrates also function as precursors of basic biosynthesis in the body. And now we need these basic biosynthetic compounds for our body to function properly. So, carbohydrate is indispensable in human nutrition, even in animal nutrition. I'll tell you why. So, carbohydrates are actually classified into three different groups. One, the monosaccharides, we have the oligosaccharides, and also we have the polysaccharides. The monosaccharides, from the word mono, saccharides, mono means one, saccharides, sugar. It means it contains one sugar unit. Any carbohydrate that has one sugar unit. Now, when we have oligosaccharides, it means that the carbohydrate contains from 2 to 10 sugar units. That is oligosaccharides. That's why you have the disaccharides being 2 sugar units, trisaccharides being 3 sugar units, tetrasaccharides being 4 sugar units, pentasaccharides being 5 sugar units, and so on and so forth. Then, when the sugar unit exceeds 10 and above, it's being classified as polysaccharide. Monosaccharides are sugars with 3 to 7 carbon atoms, and the simplest monosaccharide we can have is a triose. That is a sugar that has 3 carbon atoms. That's triose. Remember, when you have tri, it means you have 3. Ose, O-S-E, is a suffix you add to any sugar as a monosaccharide. Now, I said that the simplest monosaccharide we can have is a triose, and any monosaccharide must belong to either a keto group or an aldo group, depending on where the oxidation took place in the triose. If the oxidation took place at the terminal carbon atom, it will produce glyceraldehyde, an aldo sugar. But if the oxidation occurs at the center carbon atom, it's going to produce a keto sugar, which is dihydroxyacetone. Now, pentoses are monosaccharides of high significance. Reasons because they are being used in the production of genetic material. Now, the genetic material we have in the body, the DNA and the RNA, they contain a ribonucleic acid. Deoxyribonucleic acid and ribonucleic acid, the ribo component of the genetic material is a sugar, is a ribose sugar, a pentose sugar. And that's why pentose are indispensable in animal nutrition, because you use them in the formation of genetic material. Thank you.